Hello guys, welcome back to my channel after so long. So today I just finished my exams and I'll be going out with my friends and I will be showing what we guys do along with you guys. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys directly at the meeting spot.
Can't be serious right now, bro.
Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me imagination.
So this is the Vatavaran. So right now we are at Aloha with family to have something good. Like we are here to have good food, good moods. It's like 2 minutes away from our home. It's super convenient to be here anytime. So we are liking the environment and the music as well. So that's a little aunties hall.
I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you.
Wanna be?